So there are many exponential moving average EMA strategies, but the 50 EMA strategy is one of the most commonly used among traders in different financial markets. The 50 EMA strategy is a technical analysis trading strategy that uses the 50-day EMA to indefinitely the direction of the trend and to generate buy and sell signals. The strategy is typically used by traders who are looking to capture medium-term trends in the market, and is often combined with the oscillators and momentum indicators. In this video, I will answer some questions about the 50 EMA strategy. So, hello my dear friends, my name is Polly. People who are interested in trading are gradually gathering here, and I'm delighted to see new subscribers to the channel. I created this YouTube channel to share everything I learned through years of practice. I conduct sessions, demonstrate strategies, and talk about indicators and patterns. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my community. I'm always happy to see you and read your comments, guys. The 50 EMA strategy is a technical analysis trading strategy that uses the 50-day EMA to indefinitely the direction of the trend and to generate buy and sell signals. It is a popular trend following indicator that is used to indefinite direction of the trend and to generate buy and sell signals. Traders will typically use the 50 EMA in conjunction with other technical indicators, such as RSI and MACD, to confirm the signals generated by the 50 EMA. The strategy is typically used by traders who are looking to capture medium-term trends in the market. The 50 EMA is used to indefinitely medium-term trends and upsloping indicators with a price predominantly above it indicates an uptrend, while a downsloping indicator line with the price below it indicates a downtrend. Traders also use other indicators such as RSI or MACD to confirm the signals. They enter long position when the price is above the 50 EMA and short positions when it's below. Advantages of the 50 EMA strategy is simple to understand and use. Provides clear buy and sell signals, can be used to anticipate the direction of the trend, can be used to capture medium-term trends. Disadvantages of the 50 EMA strategy may generate false signals in arranged markets, may lag behind the current marketplace, may not work well in volatile markets, may not adapt well to sudden market changes. On this image, you can see that when the price crosses below the 50 EMA, it's trending downwards for a while. Entering a short trade in this case would have made us some money, of course. Similarly, when it crosses above the indicator, it gives a long signal, and the price traded upwards for some time. What time frame to use for the 50 EMA strategy? The 50 EMA strategy is typically used on medium-term time frames, such as the 4-hour or daily charts. Using a longer time frame can help to filter out noise and provide a clear picture of the trend. However, it's also important to consider the volatility of the market and the trading style, as different time frames may suit different trades. So you should always test the strategy or different time frames and choose the one that works best for them. How to definitely enter and exceed the points with a 50 EMA strategy? It depends on your strategy, whether you are combining the 50 EMA with the other indicators. However, many trades enter a long position when the current market price is above the 50-day EMA, indicate an uptrend, and excited when the market price falls below the 50-day EMA, indicating a downtrend. Similarly, a short position is an uptrend when the market price is below the 50-day EMA and excited when the price rises above the 50-day EMA. How to balance risk management and reward with a 50 EMA strategy? Okay, to balance risk management and reward with a 50 EMA strategy, traders should use stop loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to lock in gains. While setting stop loss and take profit orders, traders should maintain a proper risk-reward ratio, meaning that the potential rewards should be higher than the potential loss. Additionally, diversifying the portfolio can help to balance risk and reward. So let's observe the application of the 50-period moving average strategy with a real example focusing on the Euro-USD currency pair. We promptly enter on a trend to seize this opportunity and then proceed with the analysis. We opt for a 5-minute trade with an investment of $500. The current conditions are perfect for this strategy. Let's extend that trade duration to 6 minutes on the upside. Now, if we remove our indicators and add them again. So, how do we add them? We navigate to Indicators, select EMA. For the settings, we specify EMA method, where we set 50 and likewise we set 50 here. And what do we observe here? Our bullish candles have reached the 50-period moving average, displaying minimum shadows, thus acting as support level for us. Consequently, we may retrace slightly, bounce out the support and continue our uptrend movement, so we can see that. It served as support here and also here, fueling the market rise. We observe this pattern, so all we need to do is wait for a current trade to conclude and secure our profit. Just to reiterate, we entered upon the breakout of the 50-period moving average. Therefore, we anticipate the trade reaching its conclusions. Hence, we await the trade closure. By the way, it's interesting to examine the other currency pairs now to check if a similar intriguing situation exists elsewhere and cases where there is extensive volatility and highly advised against entering trades. This emphasizes situations like the one we see here, where the market is moving back and forth and we can only trade when the indefinitely clear and the optimal setups. Clear and optimal setups devoid of such volatility. Relatively, noise is also prevalent here. A comparable scenario unfolds with the AUD and USD currency pair. Regarding Euro and Japanese yen, its presents a further favorable opportunity for trading. We notice the first bounce, followed by another and yet another. Numerous bounces are awaited. The 50-period moving average performed flawlessly here. As you can see, we have a total on 8 bounces. However, here we encounter the excessive noise. Considerable noise. In such circumstances, entering a trade is ill-advised. This suggests that when we encounter a similar scenario, we refrain from trading. We disregard that currency pair and move on the next. Here the situation is also unfavorable for trading. Let's continue our search. The Swiss francs paired with the Japanese yen. Interestingly, its presence are captivating situation. We observed that our 50 EMA worked impeccably and in the past and currently demonstrating similar accuracy. Moreover, in this case, I would consider entering a trade on the downside as we failed to reach the support, a hammer formation with a likely shadow in the left behind. This formation suggests that entering in the trade on the downside would be ideal. Prefers around 4 minutes. However, we want not pursue that option since we have already entered the trade for the Euro and USD, which is performing especially well. While this provides a good opportunity, let's continue observing. Overall, there is a substantial noise and complicated situation. Let's observe the Euro and USD. As we can see, we have reached our EMA. We entered on the upside and the execution of this situation in progressing especially well. Hence, let's wait for the remaining 1.5 minutes and secure our result. We have the final 8 seconds remaining with a 34 pip difference. As we can see, there were no trades that ended in losses. No worries and concerns. We clearly earned $425 from a single trade using the current strategy. So, I really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I would appreciate it if you liked it. Write any question you have in the comments and I will definitely answer them. Maybe even make a video about it. So I'm waiting for your subscriptions to my YouTube channel. If you wanted to trade with me, subscribe to my Telegram channel where I provide free trade and signals. All you need to do is follow along with me and make a profit. See you soon.